The idea of outsourcing crisis management to a third party, or having this confidence that the third party would intervene, is inherently destabilizing, as it is based on potentially misplaced trust that the third party will intervene before the conflict becomes out of control. This can lead competing states to feel more incentivized to engage in a policy of brinkmanship during a crisis situation. In addition, a third party's motivation to intervene in a crisis may be different at any given point, hence increasing the chance of miscalculation by the competing states. That in turn would challenge the strategic stability in the region. Likewise, to be effective, the third party should have leverage on parties involved in a conflict. The situation seems to be changing in South Asia and adding more challenges to a third-party mediation process between India and Pakistan, particularly after the US tilt towards India in the wake of rebalancing in Asia Pacific.